Ingatan niyo po kami sa aming pag-uwi. Sa pangalan ni Jesus, Amen! Okay. Goodbye, children. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, classmates. See you on Monday.
A. Or show me letter D. What is letter D? Show me letter C. Show me letter A. Okay, what is this word? What is this? What is this? What is